Hi everyone, JL Essentials here for another Soap and Saturday episode. Today's episode I am making our Java Mint exfoliating soap, and I use coffee as my exfoliant for this soap. Now I've already put aloe vera juice inside of my container. Now I'm going to add my lye so that I can make my lye and water or lye and liquid solution. Now once that's nice and stirred and mixed together, I'm going to set it aside to allow it to cool off. Excuse me. Alright, once it's at a nice temperature, I usually soap around 110 degrees. I add my sodium lactate. I just need 1 tablespoon of that. Excuse me, 1 teaspoon of that. I'm going to stir that around. And I'm going to check the temperature of my oils to make sure that they're within 10 degrees of one another. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my blender, remove those air bubbles, and add my lye and liquid solution to the oils. Once that is done, I'm going to start to blend, stick blend. When you see my blender coming out of the solution, I'm just checking to make sure that I am at a medium trace. To know that I'm at a medium trace is when I can lift up my blender and I'll see traces or it leaves a line inside of my soap. So right now it is at a medium trace, so I'm going to remove all of my tools and add my essential oil blend. The essential oils I chose to use is Peppermint and Eucalyptus. I'm going to give it a nice stir around to make sure it's fully incorporated. Now I'm going to add my green mica. This just gives it a green tint to my soaps. Excuse my daughter in the background. I usually do not soap around my children because it is dangerous, but she just woke up from a nap. Alright, once it's the nice color or the nice color tint that I like, I'm going to add my coffee grains. I use 1 tablespoon of coffee grains. Now these coffee grains were already ran through my coffee machine. I'm just reusing them. And a shout out to Foster Hobbs Coffee in High Point, North Carolina. This is where I got my coffee from. Those folks there are very nice and very sweet, so I love to support local businesses. Alright, once my coffee grounds are mixed together with my soap, I'm going to pour it inside of my tunnel pitcher so that I can pour it inside of my soap molds. And like I said, I'm using my sunflower sun molds for my soaps that are exfoliating soaps, because it just makes a nice bar that is handheld. And just like that, that's another episode of our Soaping Saturdays. Please like, share, subscribe, and as always, be blessed.